when a point is situated in the second quadrant, in this case now we will project the front view and top view. When a point is in the second quadrant, it will be above HP and in front of behind VP. So when a point is in the second quadrant means it will be above HP and behind the vertical plane, something like this. This is the actual position, above HP and behind VP. So this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Here in this picture you can see all the quadrants very clearly. Now observe, to get the front view always you have to see perpendicular to the vertical plane. When you are seeing perpendicular to the vertical plane, this A dash front view you will get, that the front view of this A point you will get, that is A dash somewhere here. To get the top view always you have to see perpendicular to the horizontal plane, that means something like this you are seeing. So the top view of point A is somewhere here, that is small a. Now these two planes are again at 90 degrees. So when planes are at 90 degrees we can't project the views on a paper. So you have to transfer the horizontal plane such that it must be convenient to represent on the paper. So to do that, what I am doing is I am opening the first quadrant. Always we have to open the first quadrant. When first quadrant is completely open, means second quadrant will be closed, something like this. When the second quadrant is closed, what happens to the top view? You observe carefully. That is the situation. This point A is coming somewhere here. Now observe, this is the XY line. When a point is situated in the second quadrant, the front view and the top view both are coming above the XY line only. Okay, that is important point here. When a point is situated in the second quadrant, both front view and top view will come above XY only. Now I am transferring the top view and the front view, something like this. Both are above the XY line. That is the drawback with the projections when a point is in the second quadrant. That means front view and top view will overlap. That will lead to a kind of ambiguity in the projection.